The ability to apply multiple formats to cell with xlwt, openpyxl. I plan to use one of two libraries below to output Excel file in Python. xlwt, this URL, openpyxl, this URL. I tried the first one, most of things seem to be fine, but one issue, unfortunately it may not support the ability to apply multiple formats to cell. See, this URL. Is it true? If yes, does anybody know how to solve it? E.g., it cannot make some words bold, others regular or different font. The photo below is the example of what I want to do. You can see Peter in bold and Fernando in regular text style.
The SVN versions of both XLRD and XLWT have support for rich text, which is MS jargon for what you want.
I have another answer which explains how to apply many formatting styles using openpyxl. Setting styles in openpyxl.